In today's video, we are going to take a dirty penny and turn it into a clean penny again. To do this, we need to first understand why the penny gets dirty in the first place. The penny is made of copper atoms. These copper atoms react with the oxygen in the air around us and create copper oxide. This copper oxide creates the dirty film that you see around the side of the penny. Sometimes it even turns blue-green, which you see on this penny here. Another instance where this happened is the Statue of Liberty in New York. When that was first delivered, it looked like a brand new penny, like this. It was made of copper, but because it's been outside, in the air, the copper atoms react with the oxygen atoms in the air and create copper oxide. This makes the copper dirty. That's why the Statue of Liberty now looks bluish green. In this experiment, we're going to take vinegar and salt and mix them together and put the pennies inside them. The acetic acid in the vinegar mixes with the copper oxide and dissolves it. This creates the clean penny again. Now we're going to rinse that in some water and put it down on a paper towel. Rinsing it with water stops that reaction so that there's no more copper dioxide being dissolved, which allows the penny to stay clean. If we were to not rinse it in the water and just leave it out, the dried up vinegar and salt mixture on top of the penny will cause the reaction to speed up again and actually probably turn it bluish green. So we're going to do both. So to start, we're going to take a quarter cup of vinegar and pour it into our bowl. And then we're going to take a teaspoon of salt. And pour it in. And then we're going to take a plastic spoon with our mixture and mix it until all the vinegar is completely dissolved, all the salt is completely dissolved in the vinegar. Now that it's mixed up and dissolved, in our white bowl here we have our vinegar and salt mixture. And in our green bowl here we just have some plain water. So we're going to take all of these dirty pennies that we have and we're going to put them into our white bowl. And we're going to wait a minute or two and watch what happens. As you can see, some of them are starting to get clean already. So now we're going to take a couple of the clean ones. We have this one here that looks pretty clean. We're going to dip it in our water, rinse it off, and put it out on our paper towel over here. We're going to take another one that looks clean, like this one here, and we're just going to leave it out without rinsing it in the water. And we're going to see what happens. And we'll let these other ones sit a little longer to see how they clean. Let's dry it off a little bit. So now that it's been a while, we'll take a look at the pennies that we do have here. On the left here, we have some clean pennies. Nice and clean. These were the ones that were rinsed off after we were done. While they're not perfect, they're definitely a lot better than they were before. Now on this side, these ones are the ones that we left with the vinegar. And while they were shiny, like this one, it's starting to darken up again. That reaction is occurring again, and if we left it out long enough, they would get this bluish green color on them. That would cause them to reoxidize. It's the vinegar and the salt causing the reaction to happen even faster again. That was our experiment today. Thank you.